Okay, I need to cut a piece right here, and then I'm going to drill it because I need to lower this down a little bit so I can put this part down just a little bit lower, like that. Okay, so that part that's going to be cut, this is the dimensions. It's 1 3/16 on this end and 1 1/4 on this end, and we'll see about that when we get that cut. I had to move this hole, was up here, but now this gives me more clearance because the fender of the Husqvarna is about right here, so I wanted to have freedom to push this up further if I need to. Well, that didn't work out so well. This is all bent up in here. I'm going to have to make this a little bit more solid. basically I made this whole thing so that I could lift it over my lawn and then take it out in there so that I can use it to disc in this case. So we'll see if it can make it out there. I got to do something with this, and the only place I can put it is right there. Okay, I let it all the way down, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, I have a few criticisms of this jack. I think the overall design is okay. I had to put a spacer over here to keep this arm over that way. The jack kept slipping out this way, so I'm going to have to drill a hole here and then put a bolt in here to keep that jack back here. I'm going to have to take the whole thing off and paint it, and I'm going to put a couple of coats on. This down here did not work out the way I had it. I had it so that there were a couple of half-inch bolts holding it on, and that was to make it adjustable, but I just went ahead and welded it, and it's working out just fine the way it is. Also, this can be moved up and down a little bit. That way I don't need to make the whole thing adjustable. So all of it has worked out just fine. These braces on here are necessary, plus I put an extra piece of angle iron right here and another one over on this other side to reinforce everything and to hold it a lot more firmer than it was. This right here, I should have measured it a little bit more carefully so that I could get this arm over into the center, but it is fairly good where it's at. Got about 7 there. About 8.5 there, so it's off maybe an inch, but that's okay because, you know, the whole thing, the disc, is narrower than the entire thing. So over there is the disc. It's fairly narrow. And then I'm going to use the box scraper also. Another thing that I did was I put these Allen head screws in there. That one right there has gotten loose. The nut's still on it. I'm going to have to tighten that one up. And these are 1/2 inch. And it works a lot better to have those Allen head screws in. So now I'm going to take it off.